friends, welcome back to my channel. Found myself home alone and this is the perfect opportunity for me to share my June Ipsy bag. I didn't get a chance last month to share mine, and I know these are always popular videos, so I just seized the opportunity. But I was delighted to see my pink bag in the mailbox a couple days ago. But I opened it up, and I tell you, if you didn't know that you were getting 5 things, you could easily throw these little brushes away that you get it as your 5th item in the Ipsy bag. I mean, it's got to the point to where I may have to go in and adjust my preferences because I'm just getting a brush about every other month, and after a while you just get too many of the little fluffy brushes. I wish they would give some more specific ones like lip brushes and things like that, but my daughter had to go adjust hers because she said she had a cup full of brushes. But this month was a really cute green bag, Helly green color. And another thing that wasn't in my zip bag was a Sweet Honey Bear face mask. And I have a few Bunko girls that I tend to give these away to because I don't do many masks. And they're great for some people, but I just don't do many masks. I do a scrub treatment once a month, and that's about all I do, and moisturize a couple times a day. So I only have 3 things in my bag. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on so I can see what they are. The first one appears to be some perfume. I did peek in my bag yesterday, and I opened up this perfume called I Am Trash. Now, I don't know about you, but I just think that name itself is a little off-putting. I don't know why they would have named it that. But when I smelled it, I couldn't figure out what the smell was. I smelled citrus, I smelled musk, and maybe that's why it's called I Am Trash, because it's a little of everything. It's more of a masculine smell. It's not something that I definitely would buy at all. I'm more of a sweet smell. I meant to look on the little information card and see if they had the notes of the perfume on there. Made with upcycled apple essence, bitter orange, strawberry, rose, and cedar wood. So it's definitely a combination. It's not something that I would ever buy or wear. But let me know what you think if you got it. So the 4th thing I got was called Lip Fondant. Appears to be a lip color. Let's see what this is. It's really cute. Looks like cupcake sparkles, and just a bright hot pink lip glaze. I'll definitely wear that. So that's a good thing. And last but not least is a little box. I have to see what the box says. It's some kind of brow gel. I've never used brow gel, and I have to be really careful because I have an unusual hair color. It maybe not show in the camera. I can't go too dark, and I tend to go lighter if anything. And I usually use the e.l.f. twist up stick by the blonde color, and I just can't get too dark at all on my eyebrows. I'll definitely give it a try. It's the Benefit brand, which is a great brand. Gimme Brow. So that's it, friends. A pretty good bag. I'll use 2 or 3 things out of it and give a couple things away. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you a couple times this week with some cute projects. Bye-bye.